So in this video, I'm going to be showing us how to use the looping method of mat making, because the looping method actually makes our work more stronger. I already passed my right fishing line into the bead here. So on my left fishing line, I'm going to put one bead, and then instead of crossing with this one bead, I know we already know the crossing. I'm going to loop. Just watch what I'm going to do. So I already passed my this is my looping bead now. I already passed my left fish line into the bead. Then instead of crossing, I'm going to put the same left fish line back into the bead to form a loop. So I put the same left fish line back into the bead to form a loop like this. And then I'll take my right fish line. And then pass it through the loop. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. And then pass it through the loop just like this. Then I'll drag. Then after dragging, you have to make sure that the loop is inside the bead and not outside. So I'll drag and make sure my loop is inside, then drag very well. So making the looping method is very easy. Let's continue our work. We pass our right fish line into the next bead there, just like we've been doing. Then on the left fish line, we put our one bead, but then instead of crossing with this other bead, now we are looping. So to make a loop, you pass your left fish line into the bead and then pass the fish line back into the bead to form a loop like this. Pass the same left fish line back into the bead to form a loop like this. So this is our loop. Then we take our right fish line and then we pass it through the loop. We pass our left fish line through the loop, our right fish line, sorry, through the loop just like this, and then we drag. Then we make sure that the loop is not outside of our work. Now this is the loop. Make sure the loop is not outside of our work, but it's inside the bead. Then you drag very well. Let me do it. So let me do it again. You pass our fish line into the right, into the next bead, our right fish line now, into the next bead. Then on the left fish line, we put our one bead, and then this is our looping bead. We put our left fish line to the looping bead. Then we pass the fish line back into the bead to form our loop. This is our loop. Then we pass our right fishing line through the loop. Then we pass our right fishing line through the loop just like this. And then we drag. And then make sure this loop is not outside or inside the bead, just like this. So you successfully made a loop, and then it makes your work firmer.